Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of multi-field binning tool in Alteryx. So multi-field binning is nothing but having a meaning of grouping. So we can group the data. So only the numerical data or the data which is having numbers can be grouped. It can be displayed in the result workflow over here. So for this purpose, I will input the data from this now tab. Go to this input data tool, connect it with a file, click on this drop down. So it will redirect us to the data connection window. So I'll just click the path of this particular file name as consequences. So it will ask us to select a sheet. So I'll this sheet one as it is. There are different sheets. So I'll select the sheet one, click on OK. Now I'll click on run. So the results workflow will be available at the below side. So we can observe the data. So coffee sales are having the numerical data. These are having the numbers. So over here only we can apply the grouping, that is multi-field binning. So I'll go to preparation tab, bring this multi-field binning to the canvas and connect it to the input data tool. Now you can observe carefully over here that coffee sales is having the numbers numerical data inside it. I'll click on this and these are having two parameters, equal records and equal intervals. So I will keep as it is by default the number of tiles maximum of 1000. So it is set that 5. I'll click on run. And whatever will be the data which is being binned, so it will be displayed in a new field. Or you can say it will be displayed in a new column. Yeah. So this is the data coffee sales and the group which is done over here. So coffee sales underscore tile, it is being displayed. So it is being grouped. So if you see it carefully, at the input anchor I have clicked. So 100. So 100 coffee. So over here it is 100. Then here it is 100. I guess over here it is 100. So this is grouped into 3. So when I clicked on this particular output anchor, so I'll observe that the 100 coffee product type is coffee. So it is grouped. So it is being binned, I can say. So if you want to see by using the equal intervals, I click on equal interval. By default it is taking a value of 5. So I click on OK, then run. So now it is being shown by the equal interval. So each and every interval is going to be shown over here. So 100 only one time is being considered. So likewise we can do the grouping, or we can do it with the help of multi-field binning. So it is having a meaning that we have to group the data, and only the multi-field binning is applicable to the numerical data. So whatever will be the numerical data, by default it will be appearing in the configuration field over here. So coffee sales is having numbers numerical data, so it is being appearing over here. So this is by equal intervals. It is being big. If you want to again display by equal records, we can display. Yeah. So over here it is very good. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.